This is why I never buy chicken in China in supermarkets. Hello everyone, I'm Sanya from Sun Taste Quest. In today's video, we are inside of a farmer's market. I'm going to show you how the vendors work smarter and not harder, giving us the freshest food at a very low cost. Let's go! There's something special about the rhythm of the market here. It's not just about shopping. It's a ritual where tradition meets modern convenience. Now I'm headed over to where I can get chicken to buy. Why get packaged chicken from the supermarket when you can literally pick your own chicken while it's still clucking? All you need to do is to pick the one that you want and she will prepare it for you. This one. Woo! See, all done. No best before labels. This vendor has been here for over 10 years and I can see why he's been here so long. Look, very fresh. Mushrooms. Hello! Unlike supermarkets, you know where your vegetables are coming from. Jiga. Okay lah. Cucumbers. Do you remember from my last video what you should say whenever you want something but can't speak Chinese? Remember to say jiga, 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 jiga. It means this, this, this. Okay, I need red bell pepper, some carrots. What else do I need? I need some tomatoes. Wow, these look really fresh. Unlike the supermarkets, these are how the onions usually look inside of the supermarket. I do not know why, but I honestly could not buy it. So I always get my onions from the market. These are so beautiful. Perfect. Okay, I'm trying to work on my greens intake. So I'm going to try to make a drink that can help to increase my blood count. It's gonna have celery, string beans, cucumbers, and apples. 24 块? Oh, 24. Is that 24? Okay. You can just pay and that's it. This area is where they make oils, cornmeal, so many things. As you can see. Ni hao. 多少钱? 4. Oh, okay. I will. Hi. So, this is how they make their own oil. Wow. This lady, she makes her own cornmeal right here. I need to get the photo because I want to know what exactly is the name, should in case someone wants to buy one. But yeah, she makes her own cornmeal right here. This is the finishing product. This is the corn. And she's gonna put it inside of this to make the powder. And there you have it, my own cornmeal. Time to find the fish market. Supermarkets sell fish on ice, but here you can choose your fish. Yeah, this one is good.
Yes, okay.
I want you to send this to your fisherman, okay? It is now 6:30. Let's see how quickly he will scale it. Okay. Voila, look at that. 2 minutes. And there you have it. No best before labels, pure freshness. Hello.
来点什么？
这个。
鸡蛋。
对。
要几个？
So I'm going to take 6 eggs,
10块2。
and that is 多少钱？4块 Okay, 4块。
4块2毛，4块钱。
Okay, 谢谢。
谢谢你。
微信。
对，还会是我们这里。
Okay. I've got everything that I want, so now I can go home. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and let everyone know about Sante's Quest. Thank you.